In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your GoDaddy subscription for 2025. Whether you're switching services or simply looking to streamline your online presence, knowing how to cancel properly is important. Let's go step by step. First, head over to godaddy.com. On the homepage, click the Sign In button in the top right corner and log in with your account credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your personalized dashboard where all of your active products and services are listed. From here, click on My Products in the navigation menu. This section displays everything you currently own under your account. If you have multiple services, you may need to scroll down to view the full list. Next, look for the Renewals and Billing tab. This area gives you an overview of upcoming charges, renewal dates, and active subscriptions. Take a moment to review this carefully so you know exactly which services are tied to your billing cycle. After reviewing, go to the subscription section within your account settings. This page provides a detailed breakdown of all your GoDaddy subscriptions and allows you to manage or cancel them. Locate the subscription you want to cancel, then click on Manage Billing. This option is key because it gives you direct control over editing or canceling any ongoing services. If at any point you're unsure or run into issues, GoDaddy offers both chat and phone support to guide you through the cancellation process. One thing to keep in mind, canceling a subscription usually doesn't stop the service immediately. In most cases, you'll still have access until the end of your current billing cycle. This gives you time to make transitions without interruptions. Finally, review the cancellation confirmation carefully to make sure your request has been fully processed. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your GoDaddy subscription without complications. Having this knowledge gives you more flexibility to manage your digital tools and choose what works best for you.